Tobacco is the biggest enemy of all public health. The effects of tobacco use, as we all know, are destructive and widespread. Not many know that tobacco is one of the primary causes of cancer and heart attacks. Many youngsters in both cities and rural areas are getting addicted to tobacco use in various forms, which in the long run can have an adverse effect on health and life of the population. According to a recent study conducted by the American Cancer Society, almost 30% of the Indian population in the age group of 15 years and above use some form of tobacco. While the early forms of tobacco include chewing tobacco leaves, gutka and bidis, cigarettes, cigars, chewing, and hookahs are equally common, especially in the urban areas.